எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். எல்லோரையும் வேர்ல்ட்ஸ் பெஸ்ட் தமிழ் சேனலுக்கு வரவேற்கிறோம். இந்த காணொளியில் நாம் பார்க்கவிருப்பது ஜெனரல் சயின்ஸ் பகுதி 2க்கான காணொளி. முதல் கேள்வி. இது பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த காணொளி ஆங்கிலத்தில் பார்க்க போறோம். முதல் கேள்வி. The element which is the most abundant in the human body. The element which is the most abundant in the human body is. The answer is oxygen. Next, second question. Oxygen liberated during photosynthesis is coming from. The answer is water. Next, which of the following is not included in the technology mission? Which of the following is not included in the technology mission? The answer is option D, vegetables. Next, who discovered sex hormones? Who discovered sex hormones? The answer is Eugen Steinach. Next, fifth question. Fermentation is a process of decomposition of an organic compound by. Fermentation is a process of decomposition of an organic compound by. The answer is option B, enzymes. Next, sixth question. What are the basic units from which human spare parts can be created? What are the basic units from which human spare parts can be created? The answer is option B, stem cells. Next, seventh question. Adherent mucoid alkaline substance covering the inner lining of stomach is to. The answer is option C, prevent the action of pepsin of mucosa. Next, eighth question. The area of the human tongue sensitive to bitterness is restricted to. The answer is option D, posterior part. Next, ninth question. Aminosynthesis is a method for. The answer is option A, determination of fetal health conditions. Next, 10th question. During photosynthesis the liberated gas is. During photosynthesis the liberated gas is oxygen. Next, which of the following blood cells is compulsory for blood coagulation? Which of the following blood cells is compulsory for blood coagulation? The answer is option A, platelets. Next, which was the first antibiotic? Which was the first antibiotic? The answer is option C, penicillin. Next, virus contains protein and lipid. Next, 14th question. By which the sex of a child is determined before birth? By which the sex of a child is determined before birth? The answer is option B, foetus of mother. Next, what may be the cause of malfunctioning of thyroid gland? The answer is option A, iodine deficiency. Next, how many feet has a crab caught? The answer is 8. Next, which one of the following is found only in women? Which one of the following is found only in women? The answer is option C, ovary. Next, 18th question. Which one of the following is not a function of kidney? Which one of the following is not a function of kidney? The answer is option C, protection of antibodies. Protection of antibodies. Next, water in plants is transported by. Water in plants is transported by. The answer is xylem. Next, where are the eucalyptus trees found in abundance? The answer is option D, Nilgiri Hills. Next, 21st. Which of the following hormones is released in excess quantity during excitement? The answer is option D, estrogen. Next, 22nd. Clove, the commonly used spice, is obtained from the flower bud. Next, 23rd. What are the blood corpuscles that help to build up resistance against disease? What are the blood corpuscles that help to build up resistance against disease? The answer is option A, leukocytes. Next, which is the gland that holds the body thermostat? The answer is option D, hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. Next, 25th question. What is the chromosome number a human ovum? The answer is option B, 46. Next, hashish is obtained from a plant. From which part of the plant is it obtained? The answer is option C, exudate from leaves and female inflorescence. Next, which organ of the body never rests? Which means the answer is 27, heart. Next, the presence of what distinguishes a plant cell from a animal cell? The answer is chloroplast. Next, 29th question. The branch of agriculture which deals with the feeding, shelter, health and breeding of the domestic animals is called? The answer is veterinary science. Next, Edward Jenner is associated with smallpox. Next, a plant with compound leaves is? The answer is option B, coconut. Next, the scientist who explained about blood circulation from the first time was? The scientist who explained about blood circulation from the first time was? The answer is option B, William Harvey. Next, which one of the following is not a digestive enzyme? Which one of the following is not a digestive enzyme? The answer is option C, insulin. Next, the theory of evaluation was put forward by? The theory of evaluation was put forward by? The answer of the 34th question, the answer is option D, Charles Darwin. Next, in a human body, the longest bone is in the human body, the longest bone is in the thick. Next, which of the following food crops has the maximum content of proteins? Which of the following food crops has the maximum content of proteins? The answer is option B, soya bean. Next, where did the new form of pneumonia SARS start? Where did the new form of pneumonia SARS start? The answer of the 37th question, option C, China. Next, the total number of vertebrae in the human being is? The answer is 33. Next, 39th question. On the average, what percentage of human body has the element of oxygen? On the average, what percentage of human body has the element of oxygen? The answer of the 39, option A, 65. Next, BCG vaccination is to given is to be given to a newborn child? The answer is within 48 hours. Within 48 hours. Next. The hybrid between horse and donkey is called? The answer is muley. Next. Glaucoma is a disease of eyes. Next. The chemical used for destroying fungi in water tanks is? The chemical used for destroying fungi in water tanks is? The answer of the 43rd question, option A, copper sulfate. Next. Human kidney disorder is caused by the pollution of cadmium. Next. Dehydration in human body is caused due to the deficiency of water. Dehydration in human body is caused due to the deficiency of water. Next. Who among the following analyzed DNA for the first time? Who among the following analyzed DNA for the first time? The answer is option D, Watson and Crick. Next, 47th question. Which among the following here's smallest living cell? The answer is option A, bacterium. Next, yawning occurs due to excess concentration of carbon dioxide in blood. Next, 49th question. Which among the following living being has respiratory organ but does not have brain? The answer is option B, starfish. The last question of the video. Which vitamin helps in blood coagulation? Which vitamin helps in blood coagulation? The answer of the 15th question, the answer is option C, vitamin K. Vitamin K. இதுவரைக்கும் நம்ம இந்த காணொளியில் பார்த்தது ஜெனரல் சயின்ஸ் பகுதி 2க்கான காணொளி ஆங்கிலத்தில் நாம் பார்த்தோம். இந்த காணொளி உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம இந்த காணொளியை உங்க நண்பர்களுக்கு மற்றவர்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. இதுவரைக்கும் நம்ம வேர்ல்ட்ஸ் பெஸ்ட் தமிழ் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணீங்க, கீழே இருக்கிற பெல் பட்டனை பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்துடாதீங்க. நம்ம வேர்ல்ட்ஸ் பெஸ்ட் தமிழ் சேனல்ல ஜெனரல் சயின்ஸ் பகுதி 2க்கான காணொளியை நம்ம வேர்ல்ட்ஸ் பெஸ்ட் தமிழ் சேனல் வாயிலாக பார்த்தமைக்கு நன்றி.